Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with stubborn plaque, sensitive gums, or just keeping your smile sparkling while traveling, you're going to want to pay attention. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our honest beauty and wellness reviews. Let's talk about the COSLUS Sonic Electric Toothbrush for adults in black. This is a high-powered sonic toothbrush promising up to 47,000 vibrations per minute, designed to give a deep clean, whiten teeth, and keep gums healthy. It comes with 6 brush heads, a travel case, wireless charging, and 5 professional modes tailored for everything from sensitive teeth to braces. Right out of the box, the toothbrush feels sleek and solid. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold, and the non-slip design is especially nice for kids or anyone who wants extra grip in the bathroom. The travel case is sturdy, compact, and keeps the toothbrush hygienic on the go, which is perfect for frequent travelers or busy professionals. In daily use, I noticed the deep cleaning performance immediately. The high-speed vibrations reach all corners of the mouth, even tricky spots behind molars. The different modes, from sensitive to whitening, allow you to customize your brushing experience. The brush heads are soft yet effective, and the W shape seems to hug the teeth for thorough cleaning. I appreciated the color fade bristles, which give a subtle reminder when it's time to replace a head. One of the standout features is the battery life. I tested it over several weeks, and even with regular use, it easily lasted over 2 months on a single charge. The wireless charging base is intuitive, and it's a nice upgrade from other electric toothbrushes I've used. The IPX7 waterproof rating means you can even brush in the shower without worry, and the built-in 2-minute timer with 30-second pulses helps ensure you're brushing for the recommended duration. Pros: it's powerful, versatile, travel-friendly, and comes with multiple brush heads for family use. The smart timer and soft bristles make it effective without being harsh on gums, and the long battery life is a definite plus. Cons? Honestly, if I had to nitpick, the vibration is intense at the highest setting, which may take a little getting used to for very sensitive mouths. Also, the price is on the higher side compared to basic electric toothbrushes, but considering the features, it's understandable. Compared to other sonic toothbrushes I've tried, COSLUS feels more professional and family-oriented. Many brands offer strong cleaning, but fewer include 6 brush heads, multiple modes, and a long-lasting battery, all in one package. It's particularly ideal for households with teens and adults needing different brushing modes. The build quality is impressive. The motor feels durable, the handle's solid, and the brush heads last as expected. COSLUS claims over 1,000 hours of motor life, and based on my testing, it's holding up well with consistent performance. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, while I didn't personally reach out, COSLUS has a strong reputation for responsive service and honoring warranties, which adds peace of mind. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some more budget-friendly sonic toothbrushes with fewer modes and shorter battery life, but they won't deliver the same family-friendly versatility or high-end performance that COSLUS provides. For anyone prioritizing travel convenience, multiple brushing modes, and professional-level cleaning at home, this is a strong contender. Overall, the COSLUS Sonic Electric Toothbrush combines power, convenience, and thoughtful design. It truly delivers on its promise of deep cleaning, whitening, and gum care, making it suitable for adults and teens alike, and its travel-friendly design is a huge bonus. If you want a reliable, multi-user electric toothbrush that covers all the bases, COSLUS is a smart choice. Thanks for watching, beauties. The link to grab your COSLUS toothbrush is in the comments or description box. If you've tried it already, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.